Welcome to my channel, or back to my channel. Hey, I'm Ellen if you're new here, or Ellen's in Wonderland if you follow me coming from, or want to follow me over on Instagram. Today we are going to Battersea Power Station. I am super late to the party, the Battersea Power Station party. I haven't been yet, considering I've lived in London my whole life. I've been close to Battersea Power Station my whole life. I have witnessed it sitting there doing nothing my whole life. You'd think I would find the fact that it was getting turned into something finally pretty exciting, but I actually have. One of my friends worked on like one of the stores that was going into there, like developing it, so she's been like showing us pictures of it for ages and it's looked amazing. And I am actually really excited to go. I don't know why I've waited this long to do it, and where we live, we actually don't live too far away from it, so we're actually able to walk there. It takes us about probably gonna take us about an hour and a bit to walk there, or we can actually get the boat as well, so we're quite well connected to it, considering it's not that well connected itself. If you didn't know, Battersea Power Station is kind of what it says on the tin. It was a power station, I think from like, I don't know, I think it stopped being a power station in like the 50s or something, here in London, in Battersea in London, which is just south of the river near Battersea Park, obviously. And it's basically sat unused ever since I've been living in London, so for 30 years. And I've never experienced anything really going on with it. There was a bit of a project where they were like doing bits and bobs around it, like trying to make the area a bit more, like a bit cooler, I guess, like gentrifying the area. But it has had its ultimate gentrification now and has become what from my understanding is quite a high-end shopping centre. So I've been looking at the list of shops, and it's like quite like affluent shops, which I don't really understand the market for it. I don't understand who is shopping there. I guess it's not too far from like the Kensington and Chelsea's, but there is also like Westfield, like Regent Street, Oxford Street, all those kind of areas. So is this the new version of those? I don't know. I haven't been yet. I can't comment. So we're gonna go check it out today, probably have some lunch. There's a little ladure stand, so I wouldn't mind a macaron. I know that they've got a Reformation in there as well, so that'd be quite nice to check it out, see if they're still doing any sale bits. And I would quite like to go to Uniqlo and check out the basics as well. And I know they're doing like all the stores within Battersea Power Station have got a little bit of like a concept twist on them, so I'm not going to go, but the Zara store is meant to be like one of the first concept stores, Zara concept stores, so it's stocking selected pieces, it's merchandised in a different way. And Uniqlo has a Re-Uniqlo program inside where they can upcycle your clothes, recycle them for you, tailor them, so it's got loads going on in the Uniqlo in there. And yeah, obviously they've got Reformation, they've got a lot of sportswear like brands in there, which are obviously very popular in terms of styling at the moment. So yeah, I'm excited to see what's going on, but first we've got our gorgeous walk through Battersea Park to get there. Today's outfit is my coat from Charlotte Simon, which is new, which I am totally obsessed with. My Marc Jacobs bag that I use every time I'm filming because it fits my camera, my sunglasses and everything I would need. My boots are from Favia. They were gifted and they are honestly unreal. Considering we're going on like an hour-long walk, these things are so comfy, and they're also like fully waterproof and like so many good things, and all made of plastic bottles. They're amazing. I'll leave them linked down below, and I think I have a discount code as well. Then I'm just wearing a cute little skirt and a little brown top underneath. So let's go. Hi guys, so we made it to, where are you going? Stop. We've made it to Battersea Park. We've been walking for how long, Mr. Darman?
An hour 13.
Oh, it's quite a while. I've been walking for an hour and 13 minutes. We made it to Battersea Park, so we're like probably like 15 minutes away now, maybe less really. Just come in from like Chelsea Bridge, looking beautiful in the background. I'm still convinced that's called Albert Bridge.
I don't know what bridge it is.
Yeah, so we're just yeah, walking up to Battersea Park, walking up to Battersea Power Station now. And fun fact, we came on our first ever date at Battersea Park, didn't we?
Yes, we did. Yes, Albert Bridge, you were right.
It is Albert Bridge. Yeah. Came on our first ever date during the final lockdown.
No one can prove nothing.
The final lockdown, because obviously we couldn't do anything else, so we didn't have a proper date until like 2 months into our relationship. So yeah, there's a fun fact. And yeah, just walking over to Battersea Power Station now. I don't want to walk in this mud. So they built all of the parks. You can see them like literally all around. I reckon that's a, oh no, that's a gym, but they're like all around Battersea Power Station are the apartments. I'm so curious to know how much they are to live in. Like, I'm assuming most are probably either bought by people not based in the UK or they are rented. I'd be very curious to know how much it is to rent a flat in here. Maybe we'll be scrolling Rightmove when I get home. Not that, I don't know, would I want to live here? I don't know if maybe it'd be too busy for me. It has like real Tate Modern energy, and Uniqlo's right here, so I think that's where we're going to go first. But there is a whole bunch of shops that, like, well, looks like quite a few of them aren't open yet. I think it opened like 3 or 4 months ago, so I guess it is still relatively new. But yeah, we're going to go check out Uniqlo. It's so cool in here. It's actually smaller than I was envisioning. What do you think?
I think it's probably more that way.
Oh, is that, oh, because there'll be 2 turbine ones. It is Tate Modern energy. Right, let's go to Uniqlo. So we picked a few bits up in Uniqlo and now we are heading to the other side, but it's very swanky in here, very swanky shops. There's like a whole bunch of watch shops, yeah, it's swanky. There is no signal in here though, which is weird. I can't get on to post my cute pictures to let everyone know I'm at Battersea Power Station. Unfortunate. So this side is all like, I don't know, like in a way like more shopping centre-y and less looks like you're in a power station. Like the ceiling's like white instead of like exposed power station, and yeah, still snazzy shops though. So we were thinking of trying to get the boat home, but the boat that goes to our home actually only runs weekday mornings and evenings, so it's just a total commuter boat. Like, ratings to anyone who commutes on that, that's so fun, but we can't get it home, which is a shame. So we've just got home, we got wasabi on the way home. I'm so excited to eat it. Oh, heat's going in. I'm so excited. My feet are killing me. Just, I don't have anything else to say, I'm too hungry. This is what I picked up from Uniqlo. It's their like jumper dress that everyone at the moment has, and it's got the little collar. I absolutely love it. It's so comfy and cozy, and just really flattering as well, I think. Just a gorgeous little number. Gonna be perfect for work, and I think I'd wear like my big oversized what are those coats called? This one, they're like brown ones. That coat. I'm gonna continue this vlog on to tomorrow, so it's probably I'm probably gonna wear it tomorrow, so you'll see it then. Everyone, it is Sunday. We were going to go to the Saatchi gallery today just to see what was going on there, but I've looked it up and there's this is not what I'm wearing today, by the way. Oh my god, one trainer for Ellen. They are closed for reinstallation, so one exhibition's just finished and they're going to start the other one, so that scarpered that idea. But we're gonna meet my mum in Sloane Square anyway and go and get some lunch. I was filming this dress, I totally forgot I owned it and I absolutely love it. It's from, I know how to say it, Oest, O-E-S-T I think it is. I'll leave the branding down below. It's really cool, made and designed in London brand that they've got a store in Spitalfields or like Brick Lane area, but you can buy it online as well. It's a very cool brand, and this was in their sale and I got it for such a good price, and I completely forgot I owned it, and I thought I'd try and style it up for a reel this morning. So yeah, I've made some reel content. I need to put my actual outfit on and then we're heading off, but I thought I'd just take you along with me anyway. I'm also losing, one of my nails is broken, so I need to go into my nail shop and see if they can save her. She's like broken like almost 1/3 down the nail, which is sad. I stayed up really late last night watching this Japanese show called Alice in Borderland. I think Pete said it's based on a manga, but it's got like Squid Game energy, like they're in a sadistic like simulation game thing, but it's honestly so good. It's not kind of as sophisticated as Squid Game, like the way the games work aren't like, I don't know, like as sophisticated, but I'm still really enjoying it. It's very addictive. Yeah, and so I need to clean up the mess that is post filming reels. I also want to film my earring stack as well. It's Ana Lucia jewellery. I've got a discount code, so I'll leave a link down below, but these are absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. These two are Ana Lucia, and I've got it on with I forget what brand this one is, Ashton Mew. Like, my ear stack is looking vibesy, so I want to film that quickly as well for Instagram before we go. It is hair wash day, well, almost coming up to hair wash day, so we've gone with a bun and just having the fringe out, but I think it's super cute. But I'm gonna put my actual outfit on. I'm gonna wear the dress I got from Uniqlo yesterday, so I'm gonna wear that with my big like oversized jacket over and a big scarf, I think. So let's get dressed. Let me just take some video. We've just been to Cocktail Lebanese, delicious, and for pudding we are getting a Noops, which is honestly the best hot chocolate. If you haven't tried one, you need to get one. They're amazing. I think they're like all over London. I don't know if they're, oh no, we saw one in Brighton, so they are all over the place. So good. Hi guys, so we just got back from the King's Road and it's just gonna be like a chill evening now. We're having jacket potatoes for dinner, and then my cousin Anna's coming to stay with us this evening because she's doing something in London on Monday. So yeah, jacket potatoes for dinner. I'm gonna watch a bit more of Alice in Borderland and then hanging out with Anna for the evening. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, guys. It's Sunday and Wednesday vlogs at the moment, so I hope you're enjoying 2 vlogs per week, and I will catch you on the next one.